Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let us see section 4. In section 4, few problems. In last video, I have discussed B problems, means this one in every video. Second one. Today I will discuss A. In next video, I will make this sum by because I am also not getting this properly to explain. Let us see the remaining problems. Yeah, let us see 29th problem. A. 29th problem. A. A is equal to x such that x set of x such that x set of even prime. So what will be even prime? As we know, only 2 is the even prime number. So let us write this in the roster form. A is equal to 2, and now B. 29th A. Yeah. X such that x is a natural number less than 12, means 1 to 11. X such that x is a prime number less than or equal to 12, prime multiple of 4 less than or equal to 12, means 4, 8, 12. X such that x is a factor of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. These will be the factors of 12, less than or equal to 12. This one 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma till 11. And the next one, x such that x is a multiple of 4 less than or equal to 12, means 4 will come, 8 will come, 12 will come. And the D1, 1 2 3 4 6 12. That's all. So for this, first we have to find out A union B. So therefore A union B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So A union B means, see, A union B means all the elements will come. అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రతి ఒక్కటి వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. వీటన్నిటిలో అన్నీ వస్తాయి, కానీ రిపీట్ అవ్వవు. అంతే, ప్రతి ఒక్కటి వస్తుంది కానీ రిపీట్ అవ్వదు. ఇక్కడ ఫర్ సపోజ్ చూసుకున్నట్లయితే ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, ఇది ఒకసారి వచ్చింది, రిపీట్ అవ్వలేదు. కానీ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఏ యూనియన్ బి అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్క ఎలిమెంట్ వస్తుంది. అదే ఏ యూనియన్ బి అర్థం. Means A union B means every element in a set will come but not repeated. And the next one, let us see A intersection C. Sorry, B intersection C. Second one, B intersection C. So B ఏమొచ్చిందండి, 4. Sorry, is it 4? B 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Intersection C 4 8 12. Listen this one also. Intersection అంటే మీన్స్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ మీన్స్ ద కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఇక్కడ మీరు చూసుకున్నట్లయితే 4 కామన్ ఉంది, 8 కామన్ ఉంది, 12 అనేది అసలు లేదు కాబట్టి ఏమి తీయను, 11 వరకే ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. Intersection means the common elements. Here 4 is there, here 4 is there, here 8 is there, here 8 is there. Here also the integers are not repeated. Therefore B intersection C is equal to 4 comma 8. Now C minus D. If you listen if you listen say in sets if you got A union B, what is A union B, what is A in A B intersection C, what is C minus D means difference. If you got these then you are perfect in sets. You can I think you can get every problem. You can solve the problems easily, because maximum they are giving this type of problems. C minus D. C is this one, C is this set, and D is x such that x is a factor of 12. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 12. So here the elements which are in C should not be in D. అంటే ఏవైతే నెంబర్స్ కానీ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కానీ ఈ సెట్లో ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి ఇక్కడ ఉండకూడదు, ఇక్కడ ఆ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అనేవి ఉండకూడదు, ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు, ఏం కాదు, అప్పుడు తీయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చూసుకున్నట్లయితే ఇక్కడ 4 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 4 ఉంది, కాబట్టి 4 అనేది ఇది చెల్లదు. ఇక్కడ 12 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 12 ఉంది, కాబట్టి ఇది ఉండదు. ఇక మిగిలిందేంటి 8. Therefore C minus D means the element which is present in this set in the first set should not be in the second set. That is the meaning of that is the meaning of minus or difference. It might be anything, C minus D, D minus A, anything. In first set, whatever the element is present should not be in the second element. So remember it carefully. See, therefore C minus D is equal to 8. This you have to write. Now this one, in this one they have given A minus D. In A they have given only one element, that is 2. In D 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 12. So here 2 and 2 are there, so this will be cancelled. So what will remain? Empty element 5. Therefore A minus D is equal to empty set, or simply it is equal to 5. And let us discuss the problem 31, that is statistics. 31. Here daily pocket allowance, daily pocket allowance, number of children, number of children, xi, fi, xi. Here 11 to 13, 11 to 13, and 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, and 21 to 23, 23 to 25. So in number of children they have given from 11 to 13, 7 are there, 6 are there, 9 are there, 13 are there. Here F they asked to find missing frequency only here. Here 5 are there, here 4 are there. So I'm saying the question, the mean pocket allowance is 18 rupees. Find the missing frequency f. Daily pocket allowance, they have given, I enter the data, so we have to find missing frequency. Now xi means upper limit plus lower limit by 2, that is 13 plus 11 by 2, 24 by 2, that is equal to 12. There is one trick, two difference is there here, so add 2, again 2 difference, so in every one two difference is there, I am adding 2, 18, 20, 22, 24, or you can follow this method also. This method is definitely you have to follow for finding the first one also. 7 into 12, 7 into 12, 84, 6 14s are 84, 144, 234, 20f, 110, 96. So this one, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 9 12, 22, 22 plus this one. Okay, this is 44 plus f, 44 plus f, and this is sigma fi xi is equal to 752 plus 20f. So direct method is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So they already have given 18 is the mean pocket allowances, 18 rupees. 18 is equal to sigma fi is equal to 752 plus 20f by this one is 44 plus f. Now here nothing is there means 1, so multiplying like this, so it will become 18 into 44 plus f is equal to 752 plus 20f. 18 into 44, 792 plus 18f is equal to 752 plus 20f. Transmitting this one, this one and this one this side, and this one and this one this side. That implies 792 minus 752 is equal to 20f minus 18f. 792 minus 752, 40 is equal to 2f. f is equal to 40 by 2. 20 times it will go. So therefore missing frequency f is equal to 20. And now we have to state and prove the Pythagoras theorem, the accepted theorem in mathematics. So let us discuss that one. 32nd one, solution A. So given in triangle ABC, in right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Means there is a right angle like this, its angle is 90 degrees. Now required to prove so here we have to prove hypotenuse is equal to sum of its two sides. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This one we have to prove. So construction draw or construct a triangle, sorry, BD perpendicular to AC. Now BD perpendicular to AC means there is a triangle like this. A, B, C. So 90 degrees. This one is D. So BD perpendicular to AC. A perpendicular line is drawn. So now proof. Let us go into proof. Now in triangle, let us take first this one, means for remembering I am saying like this. So first you take this part, here it is there now. First you take this part, means triangle. For getting the idea in exam, ABD and triangle ABC. ABC. So first take these two, afterwards take this part, means triangle BDC. Take this one. So now going to the proof. In triangle ABD and triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle A. Here angle ABD is equal to angle ABC. It is a common angle here, common, and therefore here each one is 90 degrees. Therefore triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity rule. So now AD by AB is equal to AB by AC. So cross multiplying, therefore what it will become, AB square is equal to AC AD into AC. So let us take this one as equation number 1. Now in triangle BDC from triangle BDC and triangle ABC, in the same way angle B is equal to angle B, therefore angle BDC is equal to angle ABC, each one 90 degrees. Therefore BDC and triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity rule. By AA similarity rule. So now it will become DC by BC is equal to BC by AC. So in the same way, cross multiplying, BC square, BC into BC square, DC into AC, or AC into DC. Let us take this one as equation number 2. Now add equation 1 and equation number 2. AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus AC into CD. So AB square plus BC square, or 1 minute, AC, take AC common, AC of AD plus AD into DC. So this will also become AC into AC, that is equal to AC square. Therefore AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hence proved. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe to my channel and share this to your friends. Thank you for watching my video.